Well, let's talk to our correspondent, Dave Keating. He's in Brussels for us today. Dave, what does this legal action actually entail?
Well, the challenge against Hungary is about a law that forbids the mentioning of homosexuality or gender other than that assigned at birth anywhere where someone under 18 might be able to hear it. So that's basically everywhere. The challenge against Hungary concerns the over 100 municipalities, about 1/3 of the country, that have now declared themselves LGBT-free zones. Now, the challenge is still against the national government in Poland. Most of these municipalities are from the governing Law and Justice Party, and it's up to the national government to stop those local laws if the court rules against them. Now, this is the start of an infringement procedure. The Commission is notifying the countries of their intent to pursue infringement. They have a certain number of days to say, okay, we'll change the law, or no, we're not going to change the law. If they say no, this goes to the European Court of Justice. And if the EU's High Court rules against these countries, they will have to pay fines for every day that those laws are still in force.
Dave, what's the response likely to be from the governments in Budapest and in Warsaw?
Well, so far, they don't show any sign of backing down here, and I think they will see this through the courts, because actually the legal grounds here are a bit shaky, especially against Poland. Part of the Commission's argument is using the EU's Charter of Fundamental Rights. Well, Poland secured an exemption from that charter, along with the UK, when it was adopted back in 2009. In addition, the challenge against Poland is a bit difficult because those LGBT-free zones don't really have much legal impact on the ground. It's more about trying to coerce LGBT people to leave Poland. Whereas for Hungary, they are part of that charter and subject to it. And in addition, the Commission is actually using single market violations to go after Hungary, saying that if an advertiser can't show a commercial in Hungary that depicts a gay couple, or if a media provider can't show a TV episode that mentions a gay couple, say like episodes of Friends, for instance, couldn't be aired before 10 p.m., that means that that provider or that advertiser isn't able to show the same content across the European Union, and that's a single market violation. So it could be that this will actually be decided on some rather boring technical single market rules rather than the big headline fundamental rights violations. We'll see.
Dave Keating for us there in Brussels. Thanks very much.